Hey there! I'm Farzana Abid Nia, and this is where we explore the world of carpet art together. In this video, we're going to learn how to draw a simple Shah Abbasi flower. You'll need a sheet of paper, a pencil, a ruler, and a compass. Draw a medium-sized circle. Divide the circle into 4 equal parts. Divide one side into 2 parts, and from the center of the circle, draw another circle with the same radius. Now we have 2 circles inside each other. This second circle is called the mirror of the flower. Inside it, draw a smaller circle. This will be the place for a small flower at the center. From the connection points of the center circle and the dividing lines, draw semicircles. These are the placements for the petals, and you can increase or decrease their number as you like. Add decorations to the flower's mirror. Draw and decorate the petals. Finally, carefully copy the design the way you see in the video, and you'll have a beautiful Shah Abbasi flower. I hope this video helps you start designing carpet motifs. Let me know in the comments if you'd like me to share the history behind this pattern.